All right, so happy Thanksgiving and welcome back to Learning with Natural Hair. If you want to know um, how to do this parting, it's in 8 sections, 4 on each side. Um, Before you clip your own natural hair or your child's natural hair, your friend's natural hair, I just blow dried it out. I had already, like, this was an older, well, not too old, but a blow dry and flat iron that was, reverting back. So I just took a blow dryer, blow dried it in sections. I usually flat iron it before I clip it sometimes, but this time I decided not to. I just blow dried it um, and put it in sections. So if you want to know how to section this, like I was saying, just go back to my previous video and I kind of walk you through how you can create these sections. So as you can see, I've got some stuff that really could use cleaning up, and I didn't want to clean it all up the last time that I clipped my hair, and I'm not promising I'll clean it all up tonight, but you can see what I do. So this isn't the way I normally clip it, and I just have some different pairs of scissors here. So I have this pair of scissors which have like a straight handle. You open it here and it kind of comes open like that. So none of these are technically hair scissors, which if you have hair scissors, you can get those. This is another pair of scissors that I have. They have kind of a straighter looking edge. Then I have these. So it might actually be, it could potentially, sorry, there's something in my mouth, potentially be better if you use hair scissors. But yeah, I'm going to use what I have tonight. So let's take this first section. I went and found my rat tail comb because it's good if you can work with a fine comb. So I blow dried it, so it shouldn't be too hard to get through. You want to, if you're blow drying it, blow dry it pretty straight. So I'm just going to go in, kind of comb it straight first. And as I do that, I can kind of see how it's already layered. And I can kind of keep that same foundation for now. So just comb it to where you need it to be. I don't use a comb a whole lot in my hair. Mostly when I'm flat ironing it and I use the comb chasing technique a lot with that. But yeah, I don't use a comb a whole lot, just on a normal basis. So this is where it is right now. Like you can see the ends really can use some cleaning up. But I don't have the best lighting either. So what I'm going to do is kind of follow the direction that it's already going in. So just kind of angle my hand in the way that it's already going. You see that? And let's see. Kind of tricky sometimes to do that. You can just grab it like that, and then once you get it stretched out, you can bring it in to give yourself a little